Welcome to Plant a Garden TV. This is part 2 on my romaine lettuce. You know, I remember planting them on this bed right here. Yeah, and I transplant some here and I transplant them over here. Look the difference of them over here. You see how they spread out big because they have room. So it's very important to give romaine lettuce room. Okay? I have these thick and look how they looking. They ain't even, you see how they looking jewelry, and then when the rain come and hit them, it break off their leaf. Okay? So the best way to plant romaine lettuce is like this. Give them space to spread. Okay, once you give them room, they grow really nice. Not like these. You have to transplant them and plant them like this. Okay? Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.